Unraveling Luck. The story behind Chalk It Up to Luck. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, chalk it up to luck. This idiom is a colorful way to express a concept, and understanding it can add flair to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your daily English practice. Chalk it up to luck is an idiomatic expression used to indicate that a success or positive outcome should be attributed to luck rather than skill, effort, or intention. It's like saying that something good happened by chance, and there wasn't much control over the result. The phrase paints a picture of marking or noting something as being the result of luck. The phrase, chalk it up, originally comes from the old practice of keeping scores on a chalkboard. Before the digital age, scores or tallies were often marked with chalk on boards in games, competitions, or even in bars for tracking tabs. Over time, chalk it up evolved to mean attributing or assigning a cause to something. When we add to luck, it specifies that luck is the cause being noted. In conversation, you might use chalk it up to luck in situations where an outcome is surprisingly positive and seems not to be the result of a deliberate action or skill. For example, if you find money on the street, you could say, I'll chalk it up to luck. It's a humble way to acknowledge fortune's role in the event. Examples in sentences. After winning a game on his first try, Tom said, I'll just chalk it up to luck. I didn't study for the test but got a high score. I guess I have to chalk it up to luck. Understanding phrases like, chalk it up to luck, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you convey ideas more vividly. It's a reminder of the unpredictable role that chance can play in our lives. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression. Keep practicing, and don't forget to chalk up your language learning successes to your hard work and dedication as much as to luck. See you in the next video.